Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread oats. This easy guide will help you create a warm, comforting breakfast in minutes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 ripe banana, about 1/2 cup of rolled oats, and 3/4 cup of your preferred milk. We will also use a touch of sweetener, cinnamon, and vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Now let's get mixing. Take about 1/2 of your ripe banana and mash it well in a bowl. Next, add 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 3/4 cup of milk. Stir these together until combined. Then, incorporate 1 tablespoon of your chosen sweetener, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything until it is well blended. Once your ingredients are mixed, it is time to cook. You have a few easy options. For a warm breakfast, cook your oats on the stovetop over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until thickened. If you are short on time, microwave the mixture for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring after 60 seconds. For a cool treat, simply refrigerate the mixture for at least 4 hours or overnight. Finally, it is time to enjoy your delicious banana bread oats. Serve them warm from the stovetop or microwave, or chilled if you made overnight oats. Get creative with your toppings. Sliced fresh banana, a sprinkle of chopped nuts, or a few chocolate chips are wonderful choices. A drizzle of maple syrup or a dollop of Greek yogurt can also elevate your breakfast. This recipe makes one satisfying serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.